Hi. A lot of discussion happening around us regarding a topic AI, artificial intelligence. We want to know whether AI will replace our job in future. I'm an AI engineer and I will give you a detailed explanation of the impact making by AI day by day in different industries. Before moving on to the topic, let me tell you an interesting thing. Some years before, the AI expert, when they are developing this AI, they believe that AI will be capable of replacing some jobs which required low skill. I mean, those jobs which uh, doesn't need some creativity or those kinds of things. After that, we will be capable of replacing some jobs which required some skill, like some coding job, some office job. Then the highest level is creative job. For example, graphic designers, logo designers, or 3D visualization experts. So those kinds of jobs. But in reality, right now, I can tell you that highest level jobs will be replaced by AI initially. Sounds slightly difficult for you to digest, but it is the fact. I will tell you a simple example. Creative jobs. Creative job need uh, a good setup to make a brand for a particular businessman. For example, a model is required, then an expert photographer, then a good space to shoot all these things, then some stylist, some makeup artist. Lot of things required. Some good amount of money has to be invested to make different brands, and when they present it to the business person, they may reject initially. There are a lot of discussions over and over again, and finally they may approve their design. So it's a difficult process, all these graphic designing activities and all. But right now, using AI, it is possible to uh, to make a perfect brand from the scratch without using any model or any kind of those technologies I said earlier. It is very easy. Within few seconds, any businessman can make good brand, logo, design, business card, anything. So what will happen to the jobs of all those people? So this is the way AI start to replace jobs. The second thing is media. Just like entertainment industry, media also uh, needs some attention to make something different, to escape from AI technology. uh, I mean, some news readers, we can see that they are just reading news without having any emotion, just looking at the screen and reading something. But it's not gonna be a good idea to do in future, because there are good AI news readers with emotion they can read. So it's not going to be an easy for news readers. So these two persons, media and entertainment uh, industry related job opportunities, there is a strong possibility that it can be replaced by AI. So please upskill your skill and work on what to do with technology in your industry to to become safe from the impact of AI. Okay, I will come to you with another video with a detailed explanation of something called generative AI. And so please subscribe this channel to get more videos like this. Bye.